In this video, we're going to make twice baked potatoes. I've started by baking potatoes in the oven, and normally I would cut a slit on top to help the steam escape so it doesn't explode in the oven. But for the twice baked potatoes, I like to cut the slit on the side. Take the potato out of the potato skins, leaving the potato skin intact as much as possible. And then I'm going to add in the milk, sour cream, and seasoning. We're going to add some salt and some pepper, chopped bacon and sliced green onions. I'll stir all that up. Give it a little taste to make sure we have enough salt, to see if we need any more milk, if it's too dry. And then once we've got all that together, we're going to fill or stuff our potato skins again. Now keep in mind, you have 2 skins for every potato, so you don't need to fill all of them. Just fill as many as you want to serve. Once you've got it filled, sprinkle it with cheddar cheese and some paprika. These will go into the oven. If the potato was still warm, then go in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. If they aren't warm, or if you've even put them in the refrigerator during the day to just heat up at the end, again, you'll use a 350-degree oven, but more like 45, maybe even an hour. Once these potatoes are warmed through, they are ready to go to the dinner table. These look great, they taste great, and they're pretty good for you.